departure. The local time is 4:25. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. All carry-on stowed in the aisles clear until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful opening the overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. You may now turn off game or airplane mode on your portable electronic devices and use your cell phones if they're available to you at your seat. As you're checking that seat back pocket for any of your personal items, if you could do us a favor and place any trash you find on the seat, this will assist us in getting the aircraft ready for its next departure. A customer service agent will be available in the gate area to answer any questions regarding connections or baggage claims. Customers needing special assistance today, such as wheelchairs, please remain seated until the majority of the passengers have deplaned. Wheelchairs will not be available until the end of the deplaning process. This will allow us to better assist you. Visit flyfrontier.com next time you fly to get your lowest fares done right. We've enjoyed our flight with you today and thank you for choosing Frontier Airlines.